She's a 10, but she has a bunch of male friends. Just go up or down in your eyes.
8.
8?
Yeah. 3.
Oh! She gave me the eyes,
Okay.
smashed in the bathroom,
Bathroom.
and her husband was in the other room.
You never done that?
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
All right, guys, as you can see, we're in here in beautiful Huntington Beach, where the gay rights people are like, hell yeah, and the Christian guy's like, man, I want to get demonetized. Anyway, today we're asking people, can guys and girls be friends? Let's see. Let's get into this shit. She's a 10, but she has a bunch of male friends.
Nah, I don't change. It just depends how she acting. Because like the other weekend, I was with a bunch of friends at the party.
Got you.
A bunch of homies around.
Facts.
She gave me the eyes,
Okay.
smashed in the bathroom,
Bathroom.
and her husband was in the other
You
room.
never done that?
Boy, ain't no fucking way, boy.
The husband?
And her mom walked in and was like, we're good.
Down
Bunch
to.
of male friends.
Facts, yes.
Like, how close are they?
Oh, like they're like watching movies together in the bed. Like they're that close.
No, 0.
Oh!
0, no chance. She, what? Red flag.
Let's say you guys get in an argument, right? And she confides in those dudes, and that guy saying, "Oh, he ain't shit." Oh, shit,
Nah,
7 now.
7 now. Yeah, easily like a 7, 8.
I'm already gone.
So does it drop to like an 8 or a 7 or?
The hotness level doesn't drop.
Okay.
But he's gonna have to do a lot of working in the bed.
Okay. The hotness stays the same,
Hotness stays the same.
but he has to do more, like in the
He has to
bedroom.
show me more love to make sure I'm the one he wants.
So do you think that the guy and the girl friendship doesn't work that well?
No, but bitches are weird. Bitches are weird and they be doing some grimy shit. So I don't trust the bitches.
Because you don't want to get in an argument with your man, and then he goes and calls the other man and confides in him.
Who are you talking to? What's his name?
Okay, well, 10 out of 10, batshit crazy right off the bat.
Okay, fair.
So I go for the 8s, like, you know, because they're more sane.
I think it's always platonic one way. So usually the guy would always get at the girl, in my opinion. But the girl was like, no, stay, we're friends. I don't think girls are hoes.
Yes. What? You don't agree?
It kind of hurted me though, cause it's like, why would you think that?
Hey, I think there's some girls out here who are really good women, God-fearing
I'm a
women.
great woman. She's a great woman.
Facts.
But-
There's a lot of hoes.
Yes.
All right, boys, she's a 10, but she has a bunch of male friends. Just go up or down in your eyes.
8.
8?
Yeah. 3. Bro, 5.
It's a 10 out of 10, and she has a bunch of guy friends. Does that ruin her score?
Yes, sir.
I would say that's what makes her a 10 because all the guys are around her. So then,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So he said 3. So why 3? Why the massive just down?
Because, bro, if you're my girlfriend, you don't need any friends. You should not be friendly.
Sensational.
You should only be for me. I'm your best friend, all that stuff.
the guys who think she's a 10, they're attracted to her because they see all the guys around her.
So you're saying you wouldn't want your girl to get in an argument with you, then call that other nigga like, he's so this, he's so that, and he's like, you're right.
Yeah, nah. She can call. That's what she got homegirls for.
So then the guys who think she's a 10, they're attracted to her because they see all the guys around her.
Okay.
And so, law of attraction.
I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Because it all just depends on the situation. Like, it's just like who the friends are. Like, are they my friends? If my friends, then 5. You feel me? Like,
Yeah.
did she know these friends before she met me?
Fair.
It just all depends.
She's a 10 out of 10, right? She has a bunch of guy friends.
I'm going to give her a 7.
So why does her points go down?
She could be a hoe.
So you're saying her guy friends make her a hoe.
No, but... Damn, wait, let me redo this.
Why the drop in the points?
Bro, because that shit's just like, that shit's mid. Like, bro, like, what you need guy friends for, bro? Like,
Nah, she's a 10.
Okay, so you don't mind a bunch of dudes kicking with your girl.
Nah, I'm confident.
You triggered my trap card!
Okay, so let's say this. You FaceTime her.
Yeah.
She's not like in bed like cuddling, right? But like this. Oh, me and him are just watching a movie.
Nah. Gotcha, bitch. If they're alone, just them two?
Just them two hanging out.
Nah.
Let's say you're about to ask Shorty out to be your girl now. Would you ultimatum her? Like, hey, yo, it's either me or that nigga.
Yeah, 100%. What you mean?
She belongs to the streets.
He's a 10 out of 10, right, Kiana?
Okay, I'm listening.
But he has a bunch of female friends. Is that up his score or down his score?
That's not that bad.
A 9?
A 9. A 9.
So why the 1 point loss?
Well, are they hot?
The guy's hot, but the girlfriends are also hot.
That's okay because I'm okay.
You triggered my trap card!
What if you guys get in an argument, you and your man, right? And he calls that bitch up and starts confiding in her, and she's like,
He's a 6. He's a 6.
she's a 10, but she has a bunch of guy friends. So just go to a 9, a 10,
I wouldn't care about it.
a
In my
2.
opinion, I wouldn't care about it.
Yeah, I wouldn't care.
A few moments later.
Is there a line? Like, what if you FaceTime your girl and she's on the beach, walking toes in the sand with another man? That's her friend.
No, I'm walking out.
Gotcha, bitch.
Done deal.
No deal.
She made herself single. She made herself single.
Yeah, I was like, all right, cool.
Yeah, she fucked around and made herself single, right? What the?
What if she said, "You're just insecure. We're just friends. Where's the trust?"
Where's your homegirl?
That's fair.
Yeah, where's your homegirl to make me secure?
He cold.
Myself in them shoes, cause like honestly, bro, what if you were that dude? Like, what are you trying to do? You trying to get pussy? You're just trying to be a friend. Like, I'm not fucking stupid.
His perspective too.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, like us as like males, like we are always trying to get in that fucking pussy.
My nigga.
Men's a dog. Let's keep it real, bro.
We dogs.
We dogs out here. You feel what I'm saying? We hounds. You feel what I'm saying? We run around
Hounds.
with the little pink thing hanging out.
What if y'all get in an argument, right?
Yeah.
And she calls her guy friends, right? And starts confiding in them. Oh, he's so this, he's so that. And the guy's like, you're right. You deserve better. It's almost like the guy friends are preying on your downfall.
Yeah. If I had a girl, her guy friends are trying to
Yeah,
talk down on me in a way,
yeah.
just trying to take her away. I mean, you have to have the right kind of conversation with her.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You gotta not give any fucks. You just gotta not give no shit.
Well, friends are good. You
Okay,
know?
true.
Here's the thing.
Okay.
She has a bunch of friends, so like I don't want to get caught in that friend zone. Probability of me becoming just a friend probably goes up. So I would say it could go either way, man.
If they're alone, just them two?
Just them two hanging out.
Nah.
So they can't be walking on the beach by themselves?
They're walking on the beach by themselves?
Yeah, just them two walk on the beach.
No, that's weird.
Let's say you FaceTime her one day and she's out on Huntington Beach, toes in the sand, walking with that guy, but they're friends though. They're friends. So would that bother you at all or not so much?
No, I try not to be jealous.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Okay, next scenario. You FaceTime her, she answers the phone, right? Hey babe, it's here, me and here in Charles, just watching a movie.
All right, now that
Okay.
My nigga.
All right. What's the best scenario for you?
Well, it's just gotta be platonic.
Okay.
But damn, if you go in with just another person by the beach,
That's
that's
wild.
sketch. That's a little sketch, dog.
I think a whole bunch of them is probably overload.
Okay.
One or two is something else, but yeah.
So
Whole
it
bunch
stays the same.
overload. Stays the same, yeah, depending, yeah. But
Okay.
whole bunch, over two is gonna go down.
Public interactions? Okay, all right. But no like in the house, watching movies, cuddling.
It's a little bit more. I would
problem with
start
that.
getting a little tripped out on that. Yeah.
Let's just say you FaceTime your shorty, right? And she's on the beach, toes in the sand, walking with that dude she's friends with. Would that bother you? Because they're just friends.
That's dead.
So that's too much.
That's too much now. For you not to know that there was literally, that sounds like a whole day, a whole event, a
Facts.
whole planned
Yep.
situation. You feel me?
Facts. She has a bunch of guy friends.
That's down her score. That bitch is a 4 now. She f- with glizzies, man. It's over with.
Okay, so why your score go down?
Cause she got a lot of guy friends.
So do you think that's an issue?
Yeah.
So why is it an issue?
Come on, bro. Look. If I got a homegirl,
Okay.
9 times 10, I done already hit that.
My nigga.
Would you ever make a girl get rid of her guy friends?
You know, that's on her. That shows her character.
Okay. So you wouldn't say remove them.
Nah, I'm
Okay.
pretty confident.
All right, she's a 10, okay?
Yeah.
But she has a bunch of guy friends.
Down.
Why is it down?
Oh!
Here's the only issue though. Let's say you guys got in a fight and that your girl calls the guy and starts confiding in him. And she's like, yeah, I knew he ain't shit. I knew because he wore white Air Forces, he wasn't shit, blah, 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 blah. And would that bother you?
Is he a gay best friend?
No, he's straight.
And then we got an issue.
If she's really open and touchy with her friends, then it's a down.
Okay.
If she's very loyal, then it's 10.
He's a 10, okay?
Yeah.
But he has a bunch of female friends.
No.
Down?
Yes.
So
You
he,
got a bunch of girl homies. Why the fuck you calling that motherfucker up? And if he's not gay,
he's out.
She belongs to the streets.
Because I don't really believe in relationships between man and woman, because there's always somebody who has like emotions after months.
Now, do you think that's actually a bit sexist or no?
Maybe it is a bit.
Just like, I agree, but that's just the way the world is.
Yeah.
That's just the way the world is. She has a bunch of male friends. Does that affect her score?
Nah, not really.
You triggered my trap card.
No. So let me ask you this. Let's just say you FaceTime your shorty, right? And she's at Nando's. She's at Nando's with the mandem.
With the man then.
Right? No, you're not there. It's just her and two guys.
Gotcha, bitch.
So now it's sketch. So why is that sketch?
because she's not in my presence.
Ah.
She's not in my presence. It's not like I want to have control, but like now I can't see what's going on behind the scenes.
All right, he's a 10, but he has a bunch of female friends. 7?
I guess 6.
I give it a 4.
Oh!
So you're cool with guy
Unless
friends?
she told me about it. Unless
Okay.
she told me about it. I say, hey, it's like, it depends how close you are. If she told me about it, it's like, is it planned? Or, there's a bunch of questions going through my head like,
So she said a 4. So why the dramatic drop? The dramatic drop. The dramatic drop.
You stupid.
So basically, you were the only woman in his life for the most part.
Period.
And they said, oh, you're just insecure. Why can I hang out with my guys at Nando's?
because you don't go for Nando's just for for a catch up. Nando's is a date, man. Nando's is a date.
Okay, so that's a date
I didn't
spot.
take a girl to Nando's for no reason.
It's mama and you. That's all he needs, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you dropped this. You dropped the score as well. So why you drop the score?
I don't know. The same reason. I
Same
don't know.
reason?
Yeah.
Same reason.
I wouldn't say same reason, just at least have boundaries if you're gonna have
Gotcha.
friends. Like, don't be doing no shit you wouldn't want me doing.
Okay, so you tell those girls, listen, that's a date.
Yeah, that's a date.
Okay.
That's a date. There's a difference, like, because what you're gonna do? Nando's is there's always something after Nando's, like unless the cinema, or like go shopping or something. You just don't go just to Nando's.
Now, do you guys have guy friends? Okay. Now, do you think if you called him and like asked to do it, he would or no?
I know.
No. So no.
I don't know.
No.
Yes.
You would think your guy would fold.
Yes.
Okay, so you guys think he wouldn't fold? You guys think he'd hold his ground? You too?
I don't put anything past anybody.
Okay, so you don't blame him.
No.
If she had a bunch, like 5, 6 guy friends, would that lower your attraction to her?
Wouldn't be comfortable with it.
I agree. So why?
Well, because I'm a man. I know how men think.
Exactly, right?
Automatic 4.
Oh!
Yeah, I'd say 4.
Oh!
So why did the score plummet?
Because we know girls' intentions.
Ah.
That's like straight disrespectful.
So what do you say to all the girls out there? It's mostly girls who go, you're just insecure, Jim. She can have all the guy friends she wants. It's all about trust.
Well, would that same girl appreciate if the guy was walking around hanging out with a bunch of nice-looking girls?
My nigga.
Probably not.
Yeah, just forget all the nonsense. We know how men think and they know how women think.
Yes.
So just do the right thing if you care about somebody.
Now, question, do you ever hang out with the guy friends alone? Like y'all walk on the beach, with the ocean in the background?
No, if I ever hang out with my guy friends, my boyfriend's there.
Oh, okay, so I think that's fair. When the boyfriend's there, it's cool, but when no alone time.
No, absolutely not.
Gotcha. No. So, you see my guy here, he's macking. He's macking on the shorties. I love it. I love the offense. He's always on the move. Mac, number, IG, they just met, and he's going hard. You gotta respect the hustle. So the guy may never go for it, but he's thinking about it, and if the girl ever said, hey, let's do it, he probably would.
People have moments of weakness.
Yes, and the guy's preying on that weakness call. Oh, he's such a jerk, Jim. And you're just, yeah, he's such a jerk, huh? And then you slowly go for the kill.
Hey, look, it's just the reality of the situation.
He's everything you want, right, physically. But he has a bunch of female friends. What's the score to go to?
Ooh, I would have to say, he's a 10?
Yes.
I would have to say a 2. That's
plummet.
pet peeve. That's like my biggest pet peeve.
She has a bunch of guy friends.
Down point.
So is that a 4 out of 10, 2 out of 10?
It's like a 3.
Are you saying guys and girls cannot be friends for the most part?
I would say if I was your girlfriend, I'm the only friend you need.
She has guy friends, but whenever, she's hanging out with them, she'll call you, she'll text you. Everything's going okay. Still no?
No, I'm good. Well, I'll be good.
No, hell no.
So you're saying your mother and me, that's all women you need?
Say, if you got some sisters, they can kick it too, but I mean, that's about it.
If you're about to date her, right, take her serious, would you ultimatum her and say either it's me or them niggas?
Either them or me. Yeah.
Ultimatum.
Yeah.
Either me or them.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
He's a 10, so he's your type, right? Yeah. But he has a bunch of female friends. What's the score now?
I mean, if he's loyal, like an 8.
Okay, so why the 2-point decrease?
There's already a little trust lost in it, but I mean, if he doesn't give me a reason not to trust him.
Okay. So what type of friendships are you cool with where your man can have with a girl?
They can kick it, but like one-on-one's a little, unless they've been friends for a while.
They're watching movies together. They're walking on the sand, toes in it, right?
Oh.
So how does it make you feel about your girl with other men like that?
Oh, no, we can't have that.
Would you give an ultimatum, either me or them niggas?
Oh, me or them niggas? Oh yeah, most definitely.
Sensational.
She ain't even gonna play with me like this.
Oh, she's not?
Nah.
She'll know from the jump you ain't the one.
Nah, man, we personal training, boxing, you know what I'm saying? Blake the Great 74 on Instagram. Please
right.
get at me. Yeah.